Hey traders, ever wished you had an indicator to pinpoint those elusive marked tops and bottoms right when they happen? Well, let me introduce the top bottom finder. This game changer doesn't just rely on the same old tired algorithms. It's the first ever indicator to harness the power of the kernel density, which is a smoothing algorithm that will revolutionize the way you trade. With its cutting-edge technology, the top-bottom finder delivers timely alerts that will help you enter profitable trades from the get-go, leaving lagging old indicators in the dust. But before we begin with the top-bottom finder, I would like to ask you for a quick favor and show your support for the video by hitting that like button, as well as subscribe to stay up to date with future videos. Thanks. Let's start off by looking at an example at what sets the indicator apart from the rest. For this example, I've selected the US dollar against the Canadian dollar in the daily time frame. The main aspect that sets the top-bottom finder apart from traditional indicators is its innovative use of the kernel density smoothing algorithm. Unlike other indicators that rely on outdated methods, the top-bottom finder leverages cutting-edge technology to pinpoint market tops and bottoms with unparalleled accuracy. By smoothing out erratic moves and filtering out noise, the top-bottom finder provides traders with clear and also actionable insights into market trends. This means no more second-guessing or relying on lagging indicators. With the top-bottom finder, you'll always be one step ahead of the curve. Now, under the settings for the top-bottom finder indicator, you will notice that we have a few options for customization. We can adjust the bandwidth as well as the ratio for our take profit according to our specific trading strategy. Now from the chart we can observe the sell signal after the previous bullish trend. So once we get this latest sell signal, we can enter our trade. For the sell trade, I will use the levels provided by the top bottom finder and let the trade play out. These market turning points become super easy to identify when you are using a tool tailor-made for the task. Next, let's explore the other side of the spectrum by looking at a long trade. For this example, I'm currently on the US dollar against the Japanese yen in the hourly time frame. From the chart, we can observe that we were in an overall uptrend with the market forming higher highs and higher lows. Then we had a small pullback, which is marked with the red arrow and yellow line. Then we see price action crossing above the middle line and get a buy signal. Now you might be wondering, what about false signals? And I know false signals can be the bane of any trader's existence, leading to those unnecessary losses and also missed opportunities. And that's where the top-bottom finder truly shines. Its sophisticated algorithm is designed to weed out false signals effectively, ensuring we stay on the right side of the trend. Now from the chart, we need to wait for the candle to close to confirm the buy signal. And once this has happened, we can enter our buy trade. For the trade, I will use the values provided by the indicator and let the trade play out. By improving the accuracy of trend prediction and helping you avoid false signals, the top-bottom finder gives you the confidence to make more informed trading decisions. Next, let's explore another trade example and also look at one of my favorite parts of the indicator. For this example, I'm currently on the euro against the US dollar in the 4-hour time frame. Now, one of the standout features of the top-bottom finder is its ability to issue you with well-timed alerts at the market tops and bottoms. This means you can enter profitable trades from the beginning, whilst others are still making sense of the overall trend. This helps us to buy low and sell high with confidence, knowing that our trades are based on real-time data and accurate analysis. On top of this, you can also incorporate the indicator as a part of top-down analysis further increasing your win rate. Now, from the chart, we receive the buy alert at the market bottom. This blue arrow shows us before other traders that the market is suspected to turn bullish. So once the candle has closed, we can enter our trade. And for the buy trade, I will place my stop loss and take profit according to the levels provided by the indicator and let the trade run its course. Of course, once the trade is running in a profit, you can always move your stop loss to break even, turning it into a risk-free trade. Next, let's explore another trading example. However, before moving forward, if you found this video helpful, please drop it a quick like. Thanks. For this example, I've selected the Australian dollar against the US dollar in the hourly time frame. From the chart, we can see that those traders that already had the top bottom finder indicator, that sell signal secured over 150 pips. Then we see price action starting to reject away from this supply zone. This means we can mark the zone as follows. Then we get a buy signal from the top bottom finder, and the same as before, we need to wait for the candle to close. So once the candle has closed, I will enter my buy trade using the stop loss and take profit levels provided by the indicator. These levels on the right-hand side of the screen are calculated using the ATR or average true range, and they can also be adjusted under the settings to fit your own unique trading approach. Next, let's use the top bottom finder for a top-down analysis example. For this example, I've selected XAU USD or spot gold against the US dollar. Firstly, if we start out on a higher time frame, for this example, it will be on the daily period, we can see that gold is currently trending down with the red arrow and the line colored yellow. Now, this means when switching to the hourly time frame, we know that the predominant trend is bearish and that we should only be looking for sell trades in this specific circumstance. Then in the hourly time frame, we can see that price action is rejecting away from the zone before we get the sell signal. Now the latest sell signal aligns with our higher time frame bearish bias, meaning we can enter our sell trade. For the sell trade, I will place my stop loss and take profit according to the levels suggested by the indicator and let the trade play out. From these different examples, we can see that the top bottom finder's performance speaks for itself. On top of this, in our rigorous test, the indicator has constantly outperformed traditional indicators by a wide margin. Its time-tested algorithm has been proven to accurately detect trend changes at precisely the right time, helping traders maximize their profits and also minimize their risk. Next, let's explore another trade example. For this example, I've selected BTC USD or Bitcoin against the US dollar in the 4-hour time frame. Firstly, on the higher time frame, which is the 4-hour, we see that the market is currently trending down with a red arrow and price action below the yellow line. This means that switching to the lower time frame, we should only be looking for sell trades. Then on the hourly time frame, we see the short-term pullback and then we receive the latest sell alert. Now, once the candle has closed, we can enter our sell trade. For the sell trade, I will use the values calculated by the top bottom finder and enter my trade. By using a multi-time frame approach, we are able to enter another winning trade. Next, let's explore our last trade example. For this example, I'm currently on the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar in the 4-hour time frame. As with our previous example, on the higher time frame, which is the 4-hour, we can see that the top bottom finder is currently showing yellow, meaning we are in an overall downtrend. Additionally, price action is currently in a pullback, giving us an ideal time to enter on the lower time frames. Then, switching to the hourly time frame, we know that we can ignore these buy signals during the pullback period. This is because we are looking for an entry opportunity to join the overall downtrend. Now, once we get the latest sell signal, we can enter our trade. For the sell trade, I will use the levels provided by the indicator and let the trade run its course. In conclusion, the top bottom finder is more than just an indicator. It's a game changer for traders looking to take their trading to the next level. With its innovative use of the kernel density smoothing algorithm, timely alerts, and reliable performance, the top bottom finder empowers traders to make more informed decisions and capitalize on market opportunities. So if you're ready to elevate your trading game and unlock the full potential of the market, it's time to take a closer look at the top bottom finder. So if you're interested in learning more about the indicator, we invite you to visit our website. I would recommend that you check out our Indicator Vault Premium membership. With the Premium membership, you'll gain access to the top bottom finder plus multiple other next generation indicators. I hope that you found this video helpful and best of luck with all your trading. Happy trading. Bye.